Hi again, welcome to Kid and We Adventure. Right now we are in Labuan Bajo, Flores Island, Indonesia. We are living on the boat 4 day 3 night to explore 12 islands. Follow up, hope you enjoy the video.
Okay. So we're able to bypass these crowds, I think, because we've got a smaller boat. So this must be the gathering spot for everybody. Okay, looks like we're getting on the dinghy. We had to put on life vests, and I think they're loading up everybody. Here's what it looks like. Here comes Miss Wee Wee. Yeah, you don't want to fall in. It's pretty steep. Okay, we're headed to our boat. I'm not sure which one it is, but we're going to see it together. Woo! Is this our boat? We have 10 people on board this whole boat. That's it. And everybody has an individual cabin. And here's our crew. They're mainly from Indonesia and Malaysia. And I'm the only bule, which means white foreigner. And so I'm special. And here's a tour of our cabin down below the boat. The cabin was located in the front of the boat and nicely put into the hull. We had a toilet, as you can see, and we had a shower. It was all teak wood, which was beautiful, and very nice big soft bed and small little portholes that we could see out. You'll see later in the other videos on this boat trip that we actually never slept in the cabin. We slept out on the open deck. The boat headed for other islands immediately. It was amazing to see how beautiful the water became right away. This island we were able to hike up to the very top and do some drone shots. But the anticipation of what we were going to see this evening really drove me. Bat Island. Out of the 12 islands we planned to see, this was definitely one of the highlights. Check this out. Now, anticipation for bats. Okay, now we're getting some action. We got two. See if I can catch the first one that came out here. Look, it's just one bat, but that is a bat. It's freaking huge. It's like a buzzard. A huge colony of these giant fruit bats, affectionately known as flying foxes, live on a small mangrove island and leave at approximately the same time every night to go forage on the different islands. This spectacular event has gone on for millions of years. This small mangrove island is only a couple hundred yards across. The staggering number of bats that live on this island really shows how thriving the environment is in this area of the world. These fruit bats are truly enormous. Some can reach wingspans of 6 feet, and their faces truly do look like foxes. That's where they get the name flying foxes. The first day of our boat tour ended with a spectacular sunset. Watching the bats come off of Bat Island was a spectacular end to a wonderful day, and we looked forward to the coming days where we will see more islands and explore more beautiful water and eat some spectacular meals. And that, my friends, will be on our next video with Keith and We Adventures. They seem to be endless. It's unreal.